is the last one we are discussing?
We are discussing a problem, sir. Two masses m1 and m2, 3 kg and 5 kg. They will collide at origin. Find velocity of center of mass after before collision.
Right. See, these are two masses. (30°), 60°. See, the wedge is fixed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Acceleration.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see that the acceleration see this has
And G sin D, so G sin 60, G sin 30 degree.
now here this can be resolved into two parts, no?
Yes, sir. Please,
Why? Because this is 60 now.
yes, sir. G sin 60 degree cos 60 degree. I can. G sin square 60 degree. J can.
Likewise, this is G sin 30.
Yes, sir.
You can resolve this. G sin 30, this is 30 degrees, no?
Yes, sir.
Cos 30 minus I cap.
G G is
You know all these values now?
Yes, sir.
M into this one. Plus M into the other one.
The capital M, sir. Capital M, sir, for the second one. Just capital M into G. First.
Pardon?
Capital M will come now, sir.
This is also smaller man.
Yes, sir.
Both are identical masses. Simplify this fast.
Yes, sir.
Finished?
1 minute, sir. Complete. Sir, I am getting 10 root 3 plus 20 by 4, sir.
No, G by 2.
Sir, can you move that page a little leftwards, sir?
Huh?
Can you move the page little leftwards or leftwards? Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
G by 2, you should get that
Yes,
one.
sir. G by 2. Got it, sir.
Hmm.
Completed, sir. Got it. G by 2 square.
First time why you didn't get man? Complex color?
Sir, that I didn't take that direction, sir. I
No,
kept in
who
minus
asked
I.
you not to take? You have to take, no?
Yes, sir. I forgot to take that minus I, sir.
Sir, 1 minute just.
This is one block. Previous one, huh?
Yes, sir, 2 minutes.
Fast man. Don't waste time.
Done, sir.
G by 2, what you got? Minus J, huh?
Yes, sir. Minus J.
The meaning of this is this block and this block, they move such that this center of mass, wherever it is, it may be here or anywhere, okay? This is one mass, this is one mass. They move like this. But center of mass, suppose it is here, it will be always coming down with an acceleration of how much? G by 2. So they have, this is having G sin 60, this is having G sin 30. The center of mass will be moving like this. Clear?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Find the acceleration of center of mass. Anyhow, pulley is at rest on, this is not having any center of mass, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes. So, pulley must have center of mass, na, sir.
Pardon?
Even if it is not moving, pulley has some center of mass, na, sir.
Pardon?
Sir, pulley has
No.
some center of mass, na, sir.
It is not moving, no? The pulley center of mass is moving, accelerating, huh?
No, sir.
Then, if you want to take this pulley by into that won't have any acceleration, okay? Only the motion is for this.
Yes.
Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Because you are neglecting mass of the pulley now.
Yes, sir. We are neglecting mass.
But already you know A. What is A?
Sir, M2
Total mass being pulled by pulling force by this one, Remember this?
Remember, sir.
Substitute this over here. See, do it carefully.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Got this?
Got
Yes, sir.
So individually the masses may move like that, but center of mass will move down. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now if you want, you can take an alternate method. The external force by, what is the external force here? Gravitational force only, no?
Yes, sir.
The net force, no?
Yes, sir.
Tutti.
Tensions.
Tutti, tutti. That means, if you take this total mass as m1 plus m2, you can see that there are two tensions, no?
Yes, sir.
It is the force acting on the system
Yes, sir.
by m1 plus m2. This gives you G minus, earlier you found tension. Remember this?
Yes, sir. Earlier, L2G.
Earlier you found this. If you take this and simplify, you'll get the same thing. That way also you can get.
Yes, sir.
Because you know, external force is total mass of the system, acceleration of center of mass, no? M is the mass of the system, no?
Yes,
Shall I turn this?
sir. 1 minute.
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Completed.
Right. It is the a log of wood is there. This bank, it is floating on water. A person is here. Okay, this is a person mass. Now, when the man, initially both are at rest. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
You suppose this distance is d from the river bank.
Yes, sir.
Obviously, when the man comes over here, okay, is there any external force?
No, sir.
No, sir.
The man's weight, sir, that mg will act on it.
Hmm? Pardon?
No, sir, nothing, sir.
Man's and plank weight are balanced by upward force of the liquid, no water. That's why it is
Yes,
floating,
sir.
no? Otherwise, it will sink, no?
Yes,
The
sir.
net external force. Force is said, net force is how much? Because initially they are at rest, no?
Yes, sir.
This is the initial situation. Okay. Floating means that only, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now they move. Now the man starts. Agreed?
Yes.
Therefore, here what you have, center of mass will be remaining in the same position, no? ACM is 0 means VCM should be remaining constant. Okay?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Initially the system is rest.
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Great, sir.
Yes.
Any doubt is there till here?
No doubt, sir.
Right. Now let us see what is the initial state. Initially, what is the center of mass initially?
So,
First of all, you have to fix the origin. I am taking the origin at the bank. Then the mass of the plank is m. This is L by 2, no?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So m plus small m d plus L by 2. M into d plus L by 2 plus small m into d plus L by m plus m. Now after the man reaches this end, the plank will be here. So d plus x plus L by 2. Do you agree with this?
So, one doubt, sir. So, how
Tell.
do we know L by 2, sir?
Pardon?
So, this L by 2 is by...
Center of mass of a plank will be where it will lie, man.
Yes, yes, yes.
The center, sir.
Midpoint.
Geometric center, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay, because this is d only, no?
Yes, sir. T plus X plus L by 2.
Now as center of mass location does not change, no?
Will not change.
So equate these two. Understood this? Yesterday we discussed this one, all this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Equate that and find out x. Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Yes.
How much you got?
1 minute, sir. Doing.
Sir, X is L by 2.
No, no. You'll get this, see?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Got it, sir.
Hmm. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, got it.
Got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means the log will move away from the bank by distance of this. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed.
See, we can do the same problem by remembering that yesterday we have seen that for two particle system. M1 displacement of this, M1 D1. Okay, that means M1 and M2 have displacement. Nothing is mentioned with respect to ground only, no? In which direction?
Same opposite direction.
Opposite direction.
Opposite directions.
Is the meaning of negative sign, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the displacement of the man?
Sir,
Minus ml by m plus.
D1 I can take. How much is that? Man has displaced by. From here, initially he is where it is?
sir, D plus.
D plus L, no?
He said D plus L, sir.
Now,
D plus X
D plus X.
plus L.
D plus X.
ചായ മാത്രം കുടിച്ചോക്കാം ഇത് കഴിച്ചിട്ട്
then again, man I'm taking this as a man. This is the plank, okay? So what is D2 man? Plank initially is at minus
D plus X plus L by 2.
the final, initially it is. So how much it is coming to X only, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
So mod of this, if you take magnitude, the display negative sign implies only opposite direction, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
So this is MD1 equals MD2.
sir, D1 should be D plus X minus of D plus L now, sir. We took initial minus final for D1.
Final minus initial. Magnitudes I am taking, no?
No, sir. D plus L is initial now, sir, of that man.
Yes, man,
After
that is,
you are-
okay, I can take that. I am taking magnitudes, no?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Magnitudes means it's the same, sir.
So from this, what do you get?
ML is ML index minus ML by M plus.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same thing you got or not?
Same thing.
Yes, sir.
Got, sir.
So remember that this is a very important equation. With this we can solve many problems.
Sir, this equation is applicable for all the particles moving in any direction, sir, or only opposite direction?
Two particle system, they'll move in opposite direction, no?
Yes.
Otherwise you should take the signs I, J, K, whatever it is.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here because it is two particle system, I am getting this. Three particles we can't get this, no? A bar plus B
Yes.
bar plus C bar is 0. But we cannot say A bar equals minus B bar, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Right, sir.
See, yesterday I spoke to the chairman. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
They are planning to open next year, next month. They asked me, can you come? So I said, first start that, let us see how it operates. Because the space and all is not sufficient. And if people are interested to come,
Yes, sir.
right, I'm telling you, underlining this, be ready for a very, very, very hectic schedule from morning 5 onwards till night 11:30.
Yes,
The
sir.
comforts won't be there. Don't come with that mind. Okay, that's all over. Now I could see some parent asking some child to have tea and all. Nothing of that sort. It's almost be prepared that you are being jailed. That's it. You will be supplied food, everything will be there, but not according to your convenience. First studies only, nothing else. With that mind you come.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, you have to sacrifice 1 year, you come. And this comfort, I'll go whenever I want, I'll log out of the class, means they won't. I think some people, anywhere other than MS, in the MS schools,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ramid fellow, you know, Aziz, all these people will be there, they will be very strict, very, very strict. Not even they won't let you to deviate 1%. So this home comfort won't be there, underline. Any hostel, problem is that. But if you sacrifice, you'll get result. After coming there, again I am not feeling comfortable here, means almost 1 year is over. Now don't take a useless decision. Now only if you want, you just shut your mouth and sit at home, don't come. At least some other person will utilize that opportunity, no? Because I think they take limited students. Free, no, this is.
Yes, sir.
Now come with that mind, then definitely, because hard work is needed. You are missing only one thing now is you are in the comfort zone of home. Problem is that.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir,
Tell me.
sir, my condition is little different, sir. Sir, I am at present in Saudi, sir. So here,
Yes, man. No. Wait. That is what I am not supposed to ask, no. You people, when you get a call, you said you promised us like this, how we will come? You asked. I cannot ask on behalf of all children, no.
yes.
So they may arrange an online classes for you.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
For Kerala, who are coming west, Kerala and UP, Maharashtra, still cases, 75% of COVID cases in India are from these two states only, Kerala and Maharashtra. So it's not advisable, but local parents are asking, it seems.
Yes, sir.
So maybe they may take 2 ways, I think. I don't know what they do. I didn't question much again. I only told this, I won't come unless the proper code conditions are there. First you open, I'll come to know what is going on, then I'll come. Because we cannot apprehend beforehand what happens, no?
Yes, sir.
Only SL40 means, only SL40, okay. Even SL41 they are calling, that means it will be, a crowd will be there. SL4, seniors, everybody they are calling. Of course, there are reasons they have to call. Every college, why do they call children at this stage, you know? I need not speak that. You people means free, other batches are paid, no?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
Regarding outstation students, what they do, that I cannot ask, no? My mind is there on that. How you come in, they are thinking that the moment they tell you will come, but I don't think that is at this position. I think Krishna Mohan might have told, no? In Hyderabad only, in single apartment, 106 cases were reported few days back.
Yes.
So what we have done, man, to COVID go away, did we do anything?
No, sir.
It is not being virulent is not there, that's why maybe what happened, we don't know. No?
Yes, sir. Vaccination also they are giving and they are saying cases also increase.
I don't know what they do. No, yesterday some boy, Abrar, I think, no? Yesterday evening he asked in Ames class.
Yes,
So evening I called. They themselves are all question marks are there, many gaps, what they want. I asked, then whatever the people, how you will accommodate, how social distancing is possible. I think in MS you have seen the rooms and all, no?
Yes, sir.
It is not a star hotel, man, I'm telling. Don't have that imagination and come here. Okay. So they will be having room, everything's AC, everything will be there. But treatment will be horrible. That is horrible means I feel like that. I don't know how students feel.
Only for 1 year.
All these days you are in comfort zone, no? Homely food to that to this and all. Their timely food 12:30 or 12:45 something. Strictly they'll close the food timings. And it will be a little bit harsh only my observation. But still I don't know. You did not receive any phone call, no?
No, sir. Not
I called because Abra told me Sharma sir said. I called Sharma sir. Sharma sir is given L41 also. He agreed to take the all classes this year. I don't know. Earlier he never agreed to take any other class. So I told I won't take any other class except L40. Only first section I'll take. I won't take other. Even Ames also that is first section. So he is supposed to, the paid batches he agreed to take. So paid batches means he has to go to college. But mine I did not, I'm not in paid batches. I don't know what decision they'll take.
Yes.
Jasim, you are in Riyadh, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
If they call you, ask them, I think they may arrange online classes. Not only you. Many people have enrolled in their respective colleges, intermediate, board in Maharashtra, Karnataka.
Yes.
They nearby colleges they enroll, no? Now board exams are coming for them, no? How they will come?
Sir, for me, board exam is this February 25th, sir.
Yes, man. Now, okay. How people will come? They'll come and attend and go again, within 15 days. There's no use, no?
Yes, sir.
I think for you people, I don't know. They may continue with online and offline will be separate. I don't know how far what they do. If a call comes, you can talk to them. Ask your parents to talk.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because I told them better this year let you run like this. Another after board exams, everybody can come now. By the time everything situation will be known, no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, for me, it is little difficult, sir, because here till June airport will be closed, sir.
Then I don't know. They don't have any idea, man. First of all, only thing is all colleges nearby open. So now they don't know what to do.
Yes, sir.
So they started, all right, okay. I think you know about BPC wing, anybody or no, Gaussar and all, you know, no? Some people know, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Oh, sir.
He won't listen to anybody. That is the problem. If he shows left hand and says right, we have to agree. So he will do something. Things are going on like that. I am not bothered because Abrar asked. I was just bringing to your notice.
Yes.
So we will have your
So-
class online, sir.
So they didn't tell me, man. They did not tell me anything. I only called. We are planning, sir. They said, what about, can you please come? They said, you first do, sir, social distancing, all that, then I'll observe and come, I said. First, let us see what they'll do. No, I cannot teach both online and offline. No?
Yes, sir.
I don't know what they want to do. Nobody knows. They only don't know, man. Everything is confused. Modi only doesn't know what to do. What to do doesn't know. He gave totally lockdown, he announced.
Yes.
Suddenly the second wave comes, again everything will be coming to rest. Right. If at all they ask, the call comes, phone call will come now from the central office.
Yes, sir.
So when they call you, whatever doubts you have, you can ask directly. Because then only you can take a decision. Like Abrar asking me, nobody knows, no?
Yes, sir. Nobody knows.
Recently, Sharma sir agreed that paid batch, it seems. Recently, around 10 days back, I don't know why. Board exams are also there for other people. No? It is a plank on which a man is standing. Okay? The length of the plank is L. Both are at rest. There is no friction. There is friction here. No, man starts walking. Okay, find the distance moved by the plank. Right? Not right now, that hostel and all. March first week, it seems.
Yes, sir.
Pardon? Okay. Same story now. What you'll do?
Sure.
See, for the man, friction will be this side. Why? Because he'll be walking. When he walks, he will be rubbing his foot like this, no?
Backward. Rubbing foot to backward.
So this is the friction. Do you agree with this or not?
Agree, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means for man plus, this is a M, this is a M. For M plus M system,
There is no answer.
so net force is what?
Because net force is
Okay. Why? Because the forces are, this is normal reaction, these are the total weight of that. Everything is balanced, no?
sorry, sir. Mistaken.
Understood this or not?
Yes, sir.
Now you can use this, no? This can be used whenever you are having
Two particle system.
two particle system, no external force, okay? That means M1 and M2. This is MD1 equals minus of MD2. This implies M and man move in what is that?
Opposite direction.
So now magnitude wise you can take like this, no? MD1 equals MD2, no?
Yes,
Do you agree with this? See, when the man comes to the plan, we don't know, no? So here, this is one equation. What is the displacement of the man? Can you tell?
the displacement of minus L.
No. See, remember, that is the mistake you are doing. He is moving displacement of man with respect to Planck is L.
Yes, sir.
So not with respect to ground. These are with respect to ground.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now I can say that D1, because they move in opposite direction, it is L now. Remember this?
Yes, sir. Remember.
Understood why I have taken this?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
This is one equation. This is second equation. Solve and you will get both. Understood this? Displacement of man with respect to ground you will get. Okay, initially it is L by 2. First part. Now solve this, you will get both. Understood the method?
understood, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
If you want to take this as some x, okay,
Yes, sir.
solve it, you will get in terms of x. The x is, first part is, x is L by 2. Second question is L. First get in terms of x. Any doubt is there?
No. Sir, one doubt, sir. Just before I said yes, sorry, sir, by mistake. So this D1 minus of minus D2, no, sir. This D1 with respect to 2. Yes, sir, this minus sign is taken because Planck moves backward.
Opposite, na?
Yes, sir.
This is displacement. This is a D2. They are not moving in opposite direction. Are they not moving?
Yes, sir, they are moving. Now only clearly read the question. Yes.
How much you got? See? Any doubt is there?
No doubts.
You will get this now. See? How much you got?
Only, sir. Mx by m plus n.
You got this?
Yes, sir. Sir, D2 also I got same, sir.
Mm-hmm. I think you'll get another capital M now, D2.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Sir, D1 is capital M, sir. D2 is smaller.
D2 is?
Sir, D2,
Okay, this
sir,
is capital M. Okay, anyhow. This is small m. Huh?
yes, sir.
Now, first case he gave this, second case he gave this. That's all.
Ah,
Method you followed, no?
method we follow, sir. Follow.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Muhyiddin, please go to your one.
So that means simply remember for a two-particle system, the easiest method is what? M1 D1,
Plus M2 D2 is equal to 0.
D1 equals M2 D2 first thing.
Yes, sir.
Here D1 is displacement of what?
First particle with respect to ground.
Magnitude displacement of M1 with respect to ground. Remember this.
Yes, sir.
Then what is it? D2? Displacement of, magnitude of displacement of M2 with respect to ground. Okay. Then find out D1 by D2 is nothing but with respect to the second object. Okay. So you will get this as one equation. Understood that? This is the first equation using 1 and 3. You will get this D1 and D2. Understood the method?
Understood, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
So usually this is nothing but they will be in opposite directions, no? Strictly speaking, D1 plus D2 equals this as they move in opposite directions, no?
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Is it clear?
Clear, sir. Sir,
Right.
I also have the same doubt, sir. Just before Abra asked. So this
Right?
this is applicable for any two particle system or
Any two particle system. Any two. Okay.
clear, sir. Clear.
Follow.
Followed, sir. Followed.
See, if it is along x-axis, you'll use this. Or if it is along y-axis, you'll use this.
Right.
If it is along z-axis, you'll use this. Direction you should take, that's all.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. We'll continue the next class, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Today I have class, no? Friday, no? Okay, right.
Yes, sir. Friday.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Any doubts is there? Are there any doubts are there? You can ask. Otherwise, go ahead. Note down, you can go. I'll make you do some more problems in the next class.
Ah, yes, sir. Yes.
Right.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.